What's up? All right, I'm about to leave to go camping for the weekend, and I'm going with a group of friends to Pictured Rocks in northern Michigan. And it's a national lakeshore. It's really pretty. I've been a few times. We're just gonna do some camping and hiking and just soak up all the good vibes, and I'm so excited. So let's get on the road. The girl whose car we're taking was like, yo, make sure you guys pack light. This is what I ended up with. I feel like that's not that bad. Waterfalls, yeah. Just watched multiple people get swept into the rapids, so don't do that. What's up? Oof.
Hi vlog.
Hello. We have made it to the campground and now we're going to get some firewood so we can start a fire and make some dinner. And then we're planning on going to the sunset and taking some pictures. And we're so excited! Yay! Firewood has been secured. Don't worry guys, I'm helping too. She just would only let me take one because she's getting swole. So my hammock is very low to the ground. That's okay. Yeah! I just knocked it. Oh no! What's up? We just hiked along the shore of Pictured Rocks and we found the best lunch spot ever.
Oh, this is good. This
It's
is
so,
good
so pretty. Good old Lake Superior. Swag. On our way to Castle Rock. Right there. Oh, I just switch it.